Hello everybody, Lion from the Attic here, and I'm here to continue this video with the Merrell Moab flight. Let me go ahead, take it out of the box, and we'll check it out in hand, how it looks like. This particular shoe, the colorway is the incense colorway in a size 11 men's. Got it for a real good price. It was on a Labor Day sale, and yeah, let me go ahead, take it out of the box and check it out. Yeah, right off the bat, in hand, yeah, it definitely looks like quality. Let me go ahead, get the other pair out. You just have it like here, then just real quick, see what it looks like in hand, with the colorway and with the midsole and everything. Looks real great. Definitely ideal for running and hiking, with the Vibram sole. Yeah, let me read off the features that are on the website real quick. Mentions the 70% recycled mesh upper, extremely nice for having like a breathability and stuff. And then I can even tell, feeling the cushion, definitely firm right here, which is ideal. You definitely want that. And then nice mesh upper for breathability, and it's firm as well. Definitely not too thin, but not too thick either. And then you have your tongue here with really nice decent padding, I could tell. And then yeah, just overall breathable mesh lining. And then the foam insole is EVA foam, and the insole is removable, so if you decide to, if you want to take it out and everything, you got that done. And then mentions the the Vibram Eco Step bottom bottom sole, and even the midsole they mention is the Float Pro foam midsole for lightweight ride. And yeah, pretty much that's most of the info that I got off the website. And having the laces right here, nice and ideal. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I really don't have too much to say. I mean, personally, just really like the look and the color of it. I don't expect this to give me such a issue with its performance, and overall for the value, the price that you're able to get it off the website. Definitely can't complain. I think it ends up being about like $34 plus tax. Yeah, definitely no complaints. I really like the look, the colorway, and all the materials that you can tell, definitely decent quality for the value and price that you're getting for. But yeah, just wanted to show you real quick in hand, when I take it out of the box, really how it would look. And really nice seeing it in hand, the quality. Definitely appreciate that. And pretty much that's about it. I really don't have much to say other than that. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Definitely like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.